I'm currently filming.
I can't do this.
Hey! That's not what These all look the same.
No, I can't do this.
I would not do this when I was... Pass the camera around. Pass the camera around. Watch out. I thought I almost got one. How can these people make these things? I don't understand. Do they make the pictures and just like cut it?
Yeah, duh.
Right? Okay, what the hell? Who's asking? Yeah, like you guys are expert puzzle makers. Yeah. Pass the camera around.
Will you get it, baby? No, we don't.
No, we're not. This is your sister.
That one goes there. Ain't you look? Like I can see it on camera.
Oh, that one's together. Let me see that one. We're together. We go together. Like.
Nope. No pull. No pull. I'm not.
Maryland.
Let's see. Maryland.
We didn't tell Natalie that story. Ooh,
yeah,
oh, right, you're gonna catch us on film.
Oh,
Catch us on film.
oh! Two pieces.
Oh, yes.
2 pieces.
Perfect.
That was by me.
Oh.
They kicked us out just so they could sit there. How horrible is that? How horrible is that? Does this fit? Does this really fit?
How did you find that?
That doesn't fit. I don't know. I just put it there.
That's some crazy
This doesn't look like it fits.
You just gotta match
Hey, where you going?
the positioning, and it's all on the wrist.
all in the see? Ooh. Ooh.
Hey!
Ooh.
Ooh. Maybe?
Ooh. I got it.
Zoom it in.
No.
No.
Come on.
Yeah.
We got 2 back.
I need to get one.
I know, you suck. What's wrong with you?
I do.
They kicked us out.
Yeah.
This is a really pretty puddle.
It is a
Pretty puddle.
It's a pretty puddle. You better send me this by MySpace.
What?
Better send me this by MySpace.
You better send me this by MySpace? What does that
By
mean?
MySpace.
Oh.
You know?
Bye, my
You
face.
know, photo bucket, and then you just upload the video.
What was that?
You know how to upload video?
Yeah.
Photo bucket?
Yeah.
And then you send me.
See what puzzles do people.
It's a puzzle of chocolate. I mean, come on.
I know.
It's a chocolate
You don't like this.
Chocolate? Chocolate?
None of these pieces.
Last day of school, this is what happens.
I don't think these pieces go to this puzzle.
I don't know.
Look at that. That's a heart. Ooh, that's a heart cupcake.
Zoom in on this. Look at all the chocolate.
Ooh, look at that purple chocolate. Oh, she tried to do it again. Feed it.
Natalie hasn't eaten for a whole day, and this is just what happens. She can't. It's just so good.
Get the frosting. Get the
All up on it.
Look at that drink. Whose is that? Ooh, Dejani. Woo! Let's see. A 700-piece jigsaw puzzle.
750.
Actual size of puzzle piece. Well, that's not good because that's kind of small.
750.
Wait, there's a picture of it.
It is
kind of actual size.
It is.
They're not lying.
They're really not.
They're not. So why would they tell the truth? Wait, why would they lie?
They're really not lying. What are you looking at? What are you focusing at?
Oh.
You gotta.
I'm sorry.
You gotta move it around.
Messing with the puzzle. It's probably right on your breastises and stuff.
Breastises.
Oh. Aw.
thought I had it.
Remember those puzzles where it was just like 6 pieces and they were like this big?
Like how big?
They're like this big.
Like how big?
They're like this big. like this big.
Like how big? Like this big. Look at that.
Like, there's 6 pieces and all I had to do was just click, you're done.
I know.
Okay, whose drink is this?
It was amazing.
Is this your drink?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you're talking. I can get the water.
Okay.
Nothing compares to a quiet evening alone.
Let's see. It looks like you holding an umbrella. It's raining. Yeah, I'm done holding it.
Yeah, alright. Mike is back on the scene.
It says, please, do not. Please, do not too out.
Oh, and look at all the touches. Look at all the touches.
My family chocolate puzzle.
Chocolate.
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 Chocolate. You don't say great American puzzle. Just say chocolate. You know chocolate is that right?
Why are you touching everything? Esther does not touch it.
I am. Oh my goodness. Shut up.